In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable notifications in Slack, never miss a message, 5 minutes. Start by logging into Slack either in the desktop app or in your web browser. Once you're in your workspace and can see your channels and conversations, head to the top right corner of the window and click your profile picture. That opens your account menu where you can control how Slack behaves for you personally. From that menu, choose Preferences. This takes you to a dedicated settings window that won't affect anyone else in your workspace, just your own experience. In the Preferences window, look to the sidebar and select Notifications. This is the control center for all your alerts in Slack. At the top, you'll see a section labeled How to Notify You. This area decides the method and style of your alerts. To make sure you actually see messages while you're at your computer, check the box for desktop notifications. If it's the first time you're enabling this, your operating system may prompt you to allow notifications from Slack. Go ahead and allow it so banners and sounds can come through. If you don't see alerts later, come back and confirm this box is checked and make sure your computer's notification settings permit Slack. Now scroll to the section called What to Notify You About. This setting controls the volume of notifications you'll receive. You have two straightforward choices. Select everything if you want to be notified about all new messages in channels you've joined, plus direct messages and mentions. This is great if you need immediate awareness of activity across your teams but expect more frequent pings. Alternatively, choose mentions and direct messages to focus on what matters most. Messages sent directly to you and anytime your username or keywords are mentioned. This option cuts down on noise while still surfacing urgent or relevant conversations. Take a moment to consider your typical workload. If you're frequently collaborating in fast-moving channels, everything might be appropriate. If you need to stay focused without constant interruptions, mentions and direct messages is usually the sweet spot. Remember, you can change this anytime. So if you start with one option and it's too quiet or too busy, just come back to Preferences and switch. That's all you need to enable and fine-tune desktop notifications in Slack. With these settings set, you'll catch important messages as they happen without constantly checking the app. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying in the loop.